Hello guys, let's solve this geometry question together. Welcome to my channel. Okay, here we have this square and we're asked to find the area of this shaded portion. So we are looking for here. Okay, now let's call here A and we'll call here B. We'll call here C, this part. Let's call here D, call here E, call here F, and call here G. Just watch how to get this shaded part. So now let's go. To find this A, the area of this part is 32 centimeters. So the value of A becomes, and we know that the area for a square is length times breadth. That is the area, and it is in centimeter square. So here we have centimeter square as the area. So we have the value of A as 32 divided by 8. We know the length already, and is what? 4 centimeter. So our A is 4 centimeter. Now let's go our B. Here is 7 and we don't know this value of B. So it becomes 28 over 7 is 4 centimeter. So our B is what? 4 centimeter as well. Now our D, we can see that from here to here is 8, right? And from here to here is 4. This is making it 12. But now let's look for D. To find D, if this is 4, this becomes 4. Now, D becomes 7 minus 4, and that is 3 centimeter. So D is 3 centimeter. Okay, now C, if this is 3, here is also 3. Okay, now to get C, let's find this G. 45 divided by 9 will give you that length. That's G becomes 45 divided by 9. That is 5 centimeters. So here is 5. Now we know that here is 4, but we're looking for this part now. If this is 5 and from here to here is 8, so this part here to here becomes, that C becomes 8 minus 5, and that is 3 centimeter. So here is also 3 centimeter. So here to here is 3, and here to here is 4. So now our F becomes 4 plus 3, and that is 7 centimeter. So we have here as 7 centimeter. Now we've not found the value of E. E is, here is 9 and here is 3. So we're looking for E. So E becomes 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is what? 6 centimeter. Now to find the value of this shaded portion is equal to, E is 6, becomes 6 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter. That is equal to 42 centimeter square. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and drop your comments.